I'm Laura Banford, and I'm going to show you how to make shrimp two ways. Now I'm going to show you the ingredients that you'll need to make the delicious prosciutto wrapped shrimp. And here they are. We have some beautiful cleaned and deveined Key West pink shrimp. We have grapeseed oil, which we're going to use to saute. We're going to make a marinade with soy sauce and lemon juice, as well as garlic. This is baby garlic, but you can use whatever garlic you want. Fresh ginger, chopped scallions, orange marmalade, dates. These are, we're going to top the whole thing with some coconut wrapped dates, and some beautiful prosciutto. This is Italian bacon. And those are the ingredients that you'll need for prosciutto wrapped shrimp. In the next clip, we're going to mix the marinade.